With an AUM of over 55,000 crore, Nippon India manages the largest small cap fund, but it might also be the biggest problem for them because जैसे जैसे fund बड़ा होता है, उसके liquidity issues भी बढ़ते हैं. Let's understand this with an example. Nippon has invested 500 crores in a company called NIIT Education, but उनके shares में daily सिर्फ 5 करोड़ की trading होती है. So if Nippon wants to exit from this stock, it will take them 100 days to do so. And since Nippon owns almost 10% of NIIT, उसके share prices तेजी से नीचे गिरेंगे, causing a panic in the market. So, as a small cap fund grows, it becomes difficult to buy or sell stocks easily. इसीलिए जब लास्ट 5 सालों में निपॉन स्मॉल कैप फंड का AUM 10x बढ़ा, तब उसे अपनी स्टॉक होल्डिंग पैटर्न में कुछ चेंजेस करने पड़े. So now Nippon doesn't take any concentrated bets and invests smaller amounts in multiple stocks. And that's why the total number of stocks in its portfolio has doubled. And also to manage liquidity, it has doubled its investment portion in the large cap stocks. But despite all of this, the stock selection is so good that Nippon India Small Cap Fund has given better returns than category average. Found this useful? Follow Power Up Money for all things mutual funds.